ex-Chief Minister N. Biren criticized the Congress Party's Vote Chor campaign, stating that efforts should focus on resolving the ongoing crisis rather than appealing to voters. He was speaking at the launch of Atmanirbhar Bharat ki Vikshit Bharat and the commemoration of the 127th episode of Man Ki Baat at Konthojam Awang Lekai. During the function, BJP Manipur Pradesh President A. Sharda administered oath to BJP legislators and workers to foster Atmanirbhar Bharat in the state. Speaking further, Biren highlighted the state's critical situation, noting that thousands of displaced persons remain in relief camps and national highways are still blocked. He criticized politicians conducting the Vote Chor campaign with false propaganda, alleging that they played on the emotions of internally displaced persons and wooed voters in the last MP election. Without naming specific parties or politicians, Biren accused the Congress Party of making resettlement promises during the MP election without taking concrete steps. He claimed that BJP legislators were treated similarly with house arrest during the time and criticized the previous government for failing to implement border fencing and the inner line permit ILP system and taking measures to prevent illegal immigration from entering the state.
Manipur ki mayambu tekta kaidana thambaduni khoi ki priority sarkar su semningi adubu ahanba priority di Manipur project mayam kanbani aduna athuba matamda ige thajabadasu thuna government ama popular government ama lakani haibe thajablai social media da karida ngangna riba tongna riba mayam se khoi tabadai khoi su war kharaba aduna huji khoi su khara hauge na khalit adubu aina mayam da hai huji politics to matam nate huji election gi wangang ma matam nate praja mayam se ha kar na launar ga leiba matam adu gi sarukti praja sing na pamba praja sing na tawhningi ba thabak to hana koi loisan gi si highway hana hangan gi si idp sing hana changan na ba taw gi si ai khoi nda government na taw ri ba thabak sing se masi ngasi gi mirol am litung gi mirol gi ni haiba si kaubi gano laiba ki issue da koi khana seba बहुत चोरी दु नतबा ओइदबा मयाम अमा हाइजलगा प्रजा दा मिट तांगल लगा सतपदो अखो यागम से